Well, hi folks, I'm wishing everyone a happy Christmas. It's 2 days before Christmas now, so I've just got one little job to do, which is to get a few carrots for Christmas. I would usually get some turnips, but they didn't grow this year, so I'll just give you a quick look round, show you what state everything's in. It's all just about prepared now for next year, so I've got nothing to do really for the next 2 or 3 months. This is the main bed which I put the compost on. As you can see, it's just weed free, just letting it rest over winter really, let all the worms take the compost in. Must have been a big frost last night because it's frozen solid on the surface, so it's all good. Hopefully we get a decent cold winter this year, then it'll kill a few of the bugs off, because there's been an awful lot of slugs this year. So if we do get a decent bit of cold, it might get rid of the old slug eggs somewhat. So into the other bit, this is where I'm going to pull my carrots out hopefully. There's a few left over there. All the other beds, they're all prepared. Just need to put a little bit more compost on any that I can get my hands on. But other than that, it's all just good to go for next year. Just have a quick look in the polytunnel. I planted some lettuces, but even in the protection of the polytunnel, there's one there that might just suffice, but a bit of rocket there. But it got that cold. Even in here, there's not much protection, so they didn't really work. I've got a few spring onions over there, might be able to salvage a few of those, which is, it's always nice to get a bit of something at this time of year. So like I said, not a lot happening in the polytunnel. All my plants have all died back now, all the crocosmia. That's the trouble with crocosmia, it does need a lot of sorting out when it's died back. Needs a good bit of cutting back. Oh, what I've done with this bed, they had a big offer on at Asda for bulbs, and I'm not kidding you, I spent about 50 quid. I've got millions of bulbs, alliums, daffodils, little daffodils, crocus, all sorts of things. So I've just absolutely stuffed that to the gunnels with spring flowering bulbs. So we'll see how they get on this year. How's my pond doing? I did have a what do you call them? Water lily, just about coming out in December, a flower, which was extremely late. I'll just have a quick wander. I'll just do this in one take because I can't be bothered with anything. So as you can probably see, not a lot going on. Some of the plants in my little garden things there have perked up this year. That one's really shot up this year, so that's pretty good. So these are the leeks. These were the early ones. They've succumbed to the cold, as you can see. Some of them have sort of flopped over, and then these are the hardier ones. They do look a bit tatty, but there's nothing wrong with it. Once you peel a few leaves off, the shaft will be nice and white underneath. So yeah, still got a few little bits to harvest, but not a great deal. So I think I'll just try and get some of these carrots out anyway. I'm not sure how they'll come out, whether they'll come out or not. I'll just have a wander up here. Yeah, you can see it's been frozen, look. Got ice on my water butts. So the last of the carrots. Let's see if we can get any out. Oh, it's frozen in it. This is going to be lovely for my hands. If I can just break the surface. Oh god, this is getting silly. We seem to have one. That's one. God, my hands are freezing already. Rock hard, I can't get into it. This is daft, isn't it? Break your way into your vegetables. Oh, there's another. How many do we need for Christmas? 3 or 4. Try and get this one out. Oh god, tea. Frozen solid. As long as I can get hold of it. 3, one more, and that'll do, because I'm getting frostbite. This looks like quite a big one. Smash his way into this one. Oh, that's a big one. Oh, it's split, so I'm not going to bother with that one. Final one. My nose is running, my hands are cold. Oh, there's 3 in there. Hup! Gee whiz. Right, I think that'll do. Oh, God, frostbite. Right then folks, anyway, that's about it. It's just a little video showing you what's going on, which isn't a great deal. So I'm wishing you all a very happy Christmas, and I'll see you later.